Here I have Motorola Moto G10, and today I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset operation on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings, then you have to go to the system section, then go to the advanced reset options, and here you have to select the last option, erase all data factory reset, and then tap on erase all data, and then tap on erase all data one more time to confirm whole operation. And after that your device will be restarted in a few minutes. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.